Hi everyone, Adam Shapiro here, the head of product marketing over at Upfluence, and today I'm going to walk you through our social listening tool. Basically, what we're able to do with this tool is point it at social media and have it ingest all the posts that match the criteria of our search and consolidate all the analytics about those posts. Which I'll show you in a minute here. First, we have the settings. So you can basically, like I mentioned, point the tool at all of social media or maybe a specific selection of influencers, like, for example, the 25 that you might have worked with on a campaign that you've recently done. You can then choose to point the tool at various types of posts and have it ingest all the ones that meet this criteria. So in this case for Nike, what I've done is I've had it look for anytime there's a post that says hashtag just do it, hashtag Air Jordan, or anytime on Instagram just the company name Nike is mentioned. So if you have a campaign specific hashtag, you can put that in here for tracking and analytics purposes. You can also point the tool at a certain desired time range if you only want to look at posts during that time. You can even customize the CPM as well as input the total campaign expenses to help with ROI calculations, which I'll show you in a moment. Once that's set up, the tool will start pulling in all of the posts that match the search criteria that you've inputted. So here we can see the consolidated overview of the performance of all of the tools posts that the tool has found. You can see there's a lot because we put in some pretty generic hashtags, but just for showcasing what it can bring to the table. You can see the total amount of impressions, estimated reach, your CPE, total amount of likes. Again, this is only on Instagram, for example, as well as the estimated media value of all those posts, as well as total engagements. Based on that total campaign expense that we put in, the system is calculating our ROI. Obviously, this is pretty good, and you can help when you're reporting this back to clients or just looking to analyze the impact that the campaign has had for your brand. Down here, we see again more consolidated metrics about the posts and their engagements over time. And we can also see the audience that the posts got in front of in a consolidated fashion. So again, if we're a brand and we're looking to primarily get in front of the US and the 25 to 34 demographic, you can see that we've accomplished that. Down here, this is actually all of the posts that the tool has pulled in. You can see that they're ordered by date, and you have in-depth information about the engagements on the posts, the CPE, the estimated impressions, reach, as well as other sorts of engagement metrics. Also, what's important is you can order by total engagement, so you can see the top performing posts that the tool has identified that meets that criteria. As you can see what's received the most engagement, and hopefully you can use those posts to guide the different decisions that you're making about future campaigns or future influencers that you might want to work with. The stream tool can also be used to analyze what competitor brands might be doing. You pop in their information and you can see what sorts of campaigns they've done and what's been successful for them. And it also can be used for brand sentiment analysis. If you just are analyzing the brand itself and the posts about the brand, you can find new people who are mentioning it, see what they're saying, maybe even find other additional influencers to work with. Lastly, you can actually download all this information, all the raw data as a CSV or as a nice looking PDF to easily include in presentations.